the alliance system that pulled Europe into war. The alliance system was one of the main reasons World War I spread so quickly across Europe. Before 1914, European nations formed alliances to protect themselves and maintain a balance of power. However, instead of keeping peace, these alliances turned a local conflict into a large-scale war by drawing multiple countries into the fighting. Formation of alliances. By the early 20th century, Europe was divided into two major alliance groups. The Triple Alliance consisted of Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy, while the Triple Entente included Britain, France, and Russia. These alliances were created for mutual defense, meaning that if one country was attacked, its allies were expected to support it. Fear and distrust. The alliance system increased fear and suspicion among European powers. Countries worried that their rivals might attack with the support of allies, so they prepared for war. Instead of reducing tensions, alliances made nations feel surrounded by enemies, especially Germany, which feared encirclement by France and Russia. The domino effect in 1914. The alliance system played a crucial role after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in June 1914. Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia. Russia, an ally of Serbia, mobilized its army to defend Serbia. Germany, allied with Austria-Hungary, declared war on Russia and then on France. When Germany invaded Belgium to reach France, Britain entered the war to defend Belgian neutrality. In this way, alliances caused the conflict to spread rapidly across Europe. Lack of diplomacy. Once alliances were activated, diplomacy became difficult. Countries felt bound by loyalty and obligation to their allies. Political leaders feared that abandoning allies would weaken their nation's security or reputation. As a result, negotiation gave way to military action. Global impact. Because many European powers had colonies around the world, the alliance system also turned the war into a global conflict. Fighting spread to Africa, Asia, and the oceans, involving soldiers and resources from many parts of the world. The alliance system was meant to preserve peace, but instead it helped pull Europe into World War I. By linking the fate of nations together, alliances ensured that a single regional dispute could escalate into a massive international war. In 1914, this system transformed a Balkan crisis into one of the deadliest conflicts in history.